Hello everyone and welcome to our NSE IFSC Receipts Knowledge Series Video 1. I'm Vidya Pillai, Manager at Anand Rathi International Ventures in GIFT City. Today we'll be looking at what NSE IFSC receipts are, why are they so exciting, and also answer some of your FAQs. First, let's understand more about GIFT City. GIFT City is India's first international financial services center located at Gandhinagar, Gujarat. It is equipped with world-class offices, efficient regulations, and offers tax benefits. It is designed to make financial services faster, cheaper, and more global. Now, GIFT City has three main exchanges: India INX, IIBX, and NSE IX. So today we'll be spotlighting on NSE IX, which was launched in November 2016 and regulated by IFSCA. Think of NSE IFSC Exchange as your window to global markets here in GIFT City, Gujarat. Regulated by IFSCA and trading in US dollars, it lets Indian residents and NRIs tap into depository receipts for the top 50 US stocks and currency or commodity derivatives. For NRIs, there's also GIFT Nifty, plus round-the-clock trading and a quick T+3 settlement to keep you moving. Now let's see what NSE IFSC receipts are. Imagine a digital receipt that represents real shares of US companies without the company's direct involvement. That's an NSE IFSC receipt. Have you ever thought of buying Amazon or Apple shares without an overseas account maybe? Yes, NSE IFSC receipts makes it possible through GIFT City. Issued by HDFC Bank's IFSC unit and regulated by IFSCA, these USD-denominated unsponsored depository receipts mirror the price of underlying S&P 500 stocks in real time. Resident Indians via LRS transfer up to USD 250,000 per year, and NRIs excluding US and Canadian residents can trade them on NSE IX to add global blue chips to their portfolios. Let me walk you through the benefits of NSE IFSC receipts. The first one is that you can gain exposure to the top 50 US stocks which are part of the S&P 500. So you're invested in the biggest names in global markets. These stocks are listed on Nasdaq in the US. Second one, onboarding couldn't get simpler with Anand Rathi International Ventures. It's fully digital via DigiNext, our KYC onboarding platform. No paperwork, no back and forth, just a few clicks and you're set up. Third benefit is that even if you're starting small, fractional trading lets you tailor your investment to your budget. Fourth one, these receipts are fully regulated by IFSCA and they are settled on a T+3 basis. Fifth benefit is that you'll receive corporate actions just like a direct shareholder. Cash dividends, bonus shares, and stock splits flows right through you. However, voting rights are not available. One additional good news is that, as per Budget 2025, the threshold limit for tax collected at source, that is TCS, on foreign remittances under the LRS scheme has been increased from 7 lakh rupees to 10 lakh rupees per financial year. This means no TCS will be levied for LRS transactions up to rupees 10 lakh annually. By now, you must be curious to know who all are the eligible participants. Resident Indians under the RBI's LRS scheme, NRIs, and other non-resident investors. US and Canadian residents are not eligible as per the regulations. These follow US market and the timings are from 7 p.m. to 1:30 a.m. IST. And that's your quick tour of NSE IFSC receipts. In video 2, we'll be showing you how to open your account step by step. Subscribe, hit the bell, and leave your questions in the comments below. Thank you.